Hey y'all, Full Shine Hair sent me their tape-in extensions and I'm so excited. Today we're installing them into Lana's hair, and this is me kind of showing the before and how it was looking, and this is me showing the color match, which was absolutely perfect. Now I'm just parting her hair, trying to get ready for the first row. This is my first time doing tape-in extensions, so the first row was definitely not the best, but it just gradually got better from there. But honestly, these Full Shine hair extensions made life a lot easier, I'm sure as a beginner as well. I was straightening them just to kind of make sure that they were stuck on the hair really good. And then this is the second row, which was already so much better, as you can tell, than the first. This was probably my favorite clip of the hair extensions. It looked so good. Also the sides. So beautiful. And this was also so much fun to do. I really enjoyed this whole entire process. And then this is me kind of showing exactly how I was doing it. I was sticking the first piece on top and then lifting that piece of hair and sticking the second piece underneath it, which was the easier method from when I started out. This is me just showing how it was looking again, and then this was Lana's reaction to seeing it all done for the first time, which was absolutely priceless and so sweet. And we went outside so we could get some better lighting, and this is me just like kind of running my fingers through it to show that you could not see these extensions, and I'm so proud of this work that you couldn't see them, and it was very beautiful. And if you want some of these Full Shine hair extensions for yourself, they're linked in my bio, and I'm so thankful that they sent me this hair so I was able to do this. It was so much fun and I loved it so much. Bye.